Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartbird feeder camera won't connect to Wi-Fi, it doesn't always mean there's something wrong with the camera itself. Sometimes the app keeps searching without finding the device, the connection stops halfway through the setup, or the camera goes offline immediately after pairing. These issues are often caused by simple things like using the wrong Wi-Fi band, being too far from the router, or the camera not being in pairing mode. Before thinking about replacing the device, there are few checks that solve this problem for many users. In this video, I'll show you the steps you can try to get your smartboard feeder camera connected to Wi-Fi again. 1. Confirm your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 2. Reset the camera and wait until the pairing light starts flashing. 3. Remove the old device from the app, then add it again. 4. Keep the camera close to the router during the setup process. 5. Re-enter the correct Wi-Fi password carefully. 6. Restart the camera and router, then test the live view.